All right, new shipment came in. Time for an upgrade. Got some new LTOs, the Scibs. I don't know why this. Sorry, I say that. I'll open her up. One hand. They sent me the right one. I said sodium. That big one was the big one. Monotone there, bitch. Okay. Yeah. These bust bars. They gave me the upgraded one. Okay. Oh yeah. Got this business in here. Nice cased up. Yeah. Screws and everything. Nice. Real nice. Hell yeah. So these will be replacing the yin longs. And I had too many issues with them batteries. You know, they come in 6. I already had to replace 4 of them in the course of 2 years. I mean, one time it was my fault. The freaking the bus bars was not tightened properly, and then the second time, the balancer had went out on me. But the third time, it just one of the batteries just would not hold a charge. So I had to replace 4 of them. I mean, those things $70 a piece each for those yin longs. These like around 25. Save a lot more space too. So these together is going to be 60 amp hours. Yep, 60 amp hours. Let's get it. Can't wait to hook it up. Gonna test all the batteries, make sure everything's good, and get back to you guys.